Are your property showings falling flat? Let's change that. Introducing TidyTex Home Cleaning, a veteran-owned cleaning service in San Antonio that knows how to elevate your home's appeal. Imagine walking into a sparkling clean space where every corner shines, captivating potential buyers from the moment they step through the door. Our professional team specializes in preparing homes for sale, ensuring they look their absolute best for open houses and buyer visits. With our quick turnaround times and meticulous attention to detail, we help realtors like you close deals faster. Imagine the difference a pristine home can make in attracting buyers. Here's a quick tidy tip. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights to create a bright, welcoming atmosphere. A well-lit space not only makes the home feel more inviting, but it also highlights its best features. Ready to make your listings irresistible? Contact TidyTex today. Check the video description for more details, including our website, phone number, and email. Let's transform your listings into must-see homes together.